Okay, Paul again here from EMD Motor Sport. Carrying about got this Porsche 986 Boxster that I showed you earlier on. So we done the actual relative compression check. Everything was in the green, around the 90% mark and above. So now I'm doing the actual fuel pressure check. So put the ignition on, but don't start the car. Ignition on. On. Okay, start it. Okay, fuel pressure is about 3 bar. That's a bit. I've got 3.5 bar. That's how much fuel is coming through the fuel pump to the injector rail. Turn it off. Should hold pressure. Yeah, it's not leaking there. It's alright, it should hold pressure there. Yeah, it's holding a bit of pressure, yeah, that's good. If you see the actual needle go down, that's bad. Okay, start up one more time. Turn it off. Okay, we'll just check the fuel pressure. Fuel pressure is on 3.5 bar. I'm going to look up the specification. Thanks, mate. The specs for this vehicle, and then we'll go from there, but it's actually at 3.5 bar. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.